So the estate is in my family since the 19th century. It was a big estate, but during generation some vineyards of my family were sold, and the last were some Grand Cru which were sold 60 years ago. And during all these times we were not the winemaker. We didn't grow directly the vineyard, and I'm the first producer of my family. Every time it was they were owners but not farmers directly. It was rented by negociant family, for example Drouin, Jadot, or my cousins. And when I come back in 13, after my enologist and agronomic studies, I make a second life to this family estate. In terms of viticulture, of vinification, the idea is to be, since my first vintage, the most sustainable as possible. I think everybody wants to be the most sustainable, but I try to be the best. I begin in 13 for my first vintage with herbal organic viticulture. It was quite new, 10 years ago. But after 6 years, I understand that I was still using chemicals, machine, and for me it was not sustainable enough for my point of view and to be able to give my lands to my children. So I look after permaculture model, or the farming, the agriculture that we practice during many years, thousands of years. And today the idea of the estate is just to do the same job as we made during so many years, without petrol, without chemicals, without all this technology which I think is not sustainable. And this is the same way for the vinification. The less I do, the better I am. And I think it's, the less I use of technology to make my wine, and the best I think it is for the estate and also for my wine. It's maybe the biggest problem we have to work with now in the last vintage. When I begin in the 13 vintage, we were not ready, and we didn't think that we will have so high temperature during summer. The idea at the estate is just to say that farming, when you are a farmer, you need to adapt every day. So I don't ask too much questions myself. I adapt every day, and I change some grape varieties. I change my way of growing my vineyard, and I adapt. Every day I try to adapt with the new condition I have. The other idea is that I have friends in south of France, and they have higher temperatures than us, and the idea is just to ask them a question how they do, and we can adapt in Burgundy their way of growing. Classical music, Vivaldi, the Four Seasons, just to be sure to stay connected with Mother Nature. The 22 vintage is a good example of a warm vintage connected to what we were saying just before in terms of global warming. Spring was not so much high in terms of temperature, but the summer was very high, and we need to start the harvest very early. But the vineyards were quite ready, and we have a good yield, a good balance in terms of acidity, sugar, alcohol. And today we must say that we are very proud as white wines or as red wine. And I hope, journalists will also be very proud of the job we made.